Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade vanilla ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk for that perfect creamy texture. Don't forget 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 4 large egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. A small pinch of salt will also help balance the sweetness beautifully. Having everything measured out makes the process much smoother. Now let's create our luscious custard base. In a saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream, whole milk, and half of your sugar until it's warm but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar until they are light and pale. Slowly pour a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. Then, return this combined mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat until it slightly thickens, coating the back of a spoon. Once your custard base is cooked, let it cool completely, then stir in your 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. This is crucial for that classic vanilla flavor. Next, chill the base in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it's very cold. This helps achieve the best texture. Finally, pour the thoroughly chilled base into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes, until it resembles soft-serve ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, like soft serve. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container. To prevent ice crystals from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the ice cream before sealing the container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop easily. Now, your delicious homemade vanilla ice cream is ready to enjoy. Serve it as is, or with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.